Will connecting two TVs through HDMI result in a loss of signal quality or resolution?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to delve into an important question for those of you looking to connect two TVs using HDMI. Will connecting two TVs through HDMI result in a loss of signal quality or resolution? This is a common concern as we all want the best quality for our viewing experience.
What is HDMI?
HDMI, or High Definition Multimedia Interface, is a common type of cable used to transmit high-quality audio and video signals between devices. It is the standard connection used in most modern TV, gaming consoles, and other home entertainment systems. The crucial thing about HDMI is that it transfers digital signals. This means it either works perfectly, transmitting the entire signal, or it doesn't work at all if the signal is interrupted or the cable is damaged. Unlike analog signals, there is no gradual degradation of signal or quality.
Will connecting two TVs through HDMI affect the signal quality or resolution?
In general, if you're directly connecting two TVs through an HDMI cable, which isn't a common or straightforward setup, the signal quality or resolution should not degrade. The HDMI cable will transmit the digital signal from one TV to another without loss of quality, provided the cable and both HDMI ports are functioning correctly. However, keep in mind that the resolution displayed will be limited to the lowest resolution of the two TVs. This is because the source signal can only transmit the resolution that both TVs can display.
Potential issues with HDMI connections.
Although HDMI connections should not degrade the signal or resolution, there are a few potential issues to be aware of. 1. Cable quality. Low-quality HDMI cables might not deliver the signal as effectively as high-quality ones. But as long as the cable meets HDMI standards and is not damaged, there should not be a loss of signal or quality. 2. Cable length. HDMI cables may not function as effectively over long distances. If you're using a cable over 50 feet, you might need a signal booster or an active cable to ensure the signal remains strong. 3. Compatibility issues. Not all HDMI ports and cables are created equal. There are different versions of HDMI, and while they are backward compatible, using an older version may limit some features or the maximum resolution. In conclusion, connecting two TVs via HDMI should not result in a loss of signal quality or resolution. It's important, however, to consider the limitations of your devices and the quality and length of your HDMI cable. Remember, if you run into issues, it's always a good idea to check your equipment and consider whether a different setup might better serve your needs. Happy viewing!